Welcome back, artists. Let me show you how to draw a cute Easter bunny for Easter. I'm going to use my pen so that you can see what I'm doing on the video, but you use pencil so that you can erase the lines you don't want at the end of it all. First, let's draw the body of the bunny, like this. Now, add his tail on like this. Now, on the bottom third of the body, put on his rear leg like this. Now, add his front leg. Come straight down from the front of the body. Leave a little bit for the chest. Now, make another circle for his head. And notice I set the head circle right on the body circle. Rabbits have almost no neck. Now, quarter the head like this. Make it look spherical. Put on a cute little nose, starting at this horizontal line like this. It's flat on top, and then curve it around on bottom like this. Put on a little nose. Put on his lower jaw. Don't forget the whiskers. Okay, now let's do the eye. Let's put a big eye, put it on the horizontal line like this. All right, now let's add his big ears. Starting from the vertical line up at the top, draw two great big ovals. Remember the inside of the ear on the ear facing us. All right, now add some eggs around his feet like this. Remember to put the other front leg in too, like this. Now add a few blades of grass. Now connect the head to the body. Here's the back of the neck. And here's the throat. Add on some fur and strengthen the lines you like best. Okay, there's the drawing. Now let's have fun coloring them in. I'm going to use my watercolor kit, but you use whatever you want to use. This is raw sienna. Now let's darken some areas. I'm going to use quinacridone burnt orange on the shadow side where the shadows are at. Okay, let's do the white areas. I'm going to use cerulean blue a little bit. Okay, now a little bit of cobalt blue to help darken the shadow side of the white areas. A little Prussian blue for his nose and the pupil of his eye. This is a dark blue. A little pink inside the ear. If you didn't have pink, you could just leave it white and maybe touch it with a little light blue like we did before for the white areas. Okay, let's have some fun coloring the eggs. I use pink up here, so I use pink down here. Touch the pink with a little bit of darker red, in my case alizarin crimson, just on the shadow side. And notice I leave a little bit of white spot for the highlight, just like I did on the body. All right, let's add in some grass here. All right, a little bit of blue sky. Add in some shadows for the rabbit and the eggs to set them on the ground. I'm using cobalt blue. Strengthen a few of the shadow side. Okay, there we are. We're all done. We sketched out our Easter bunny and our eggs, colored him in, and there he is. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.